Jim Ryder's car. Dual engine beast.
And a mini bike. Well, there isn't a no.
Beautiful workmanship. Jim's been working on this really hard. Jim's a very talented driver. I love watching this guy race. And this is Mr. Ryder.
Hello, race fans.
Yeah. So Jim, what was that race car you used to run?
I ran a Citation Formula V.
There you go. And
CCA.
was really, really good at it.
Four-time Central Division champion. Had a good run with it.
Yeah.
Had a good run. Just ran out of money.
There you go. So see, folks, when you come to this, you never know who you're going to run into. You're going to find a lot of beginners. You're going to find a lot of experienced people. You're going to find national champions. You're going to find people that ran other kinds of cars. So you got all levels of drivers. How's everything going, Jim?
Not bad at all.
Okay.
Got the Yamaha screaming.
All right.
The Dual actually ran fairly well. Still won't stop.
Yeah.
We're making progress.
Yeah. This first time my Dual's ever run right. It's running right today. So I'm pretty excited about that.
That is good. That is good.
Yep.
I'd love to go out and join you with those.
Yeah.
I think that would be fun.
Yeah. I need to put you in it.
Might never get me out.
I need to let you drive the rear for an experience.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that one of these times on one of the fun events here.
Yeah.
We'll put you in the dual rear. Yeah, we're good for that. I had no problem with this guy.
Yeah.
He can wheel him.
That's back to my roots. My first kart was a Fox. It had a Mac 9 and a Dynadrive gearbox.
Yeah, yeah. And then you'll find this guy down at Black Hawk Farms and that running his Mustang on the road courses. Yeah.
Having all kinds of fun.
That's right. Pedal to the metal all the time.
Yeah.
All right.
Need for